Oh, hi guys, welcome back to Chao. How much does it really cost to start adding your coffee menu to your existing milk tea menu? Or how much does it cost to start a completely brand new coffee shack offering only iced coffee? Today I'm going to show you how you can calculate the cost, what my suggested pricing are, and also some of the tips that I could give to those that are wishing to start their own business. First, think of a beautiful name. Filipinos are very creative, and I really like a lot of names that I've seen out there in the market. So, once you've come up with a name, let's do our costing. What are the initial investments that are required? In terms of startup equipment, as in the previous video that I showed you, you would need a kettle, you would need an electric milk frother, measuring cup, shot glass, stirring spoon, ice box, and all the others. So all of this could cost as little as 5,000 pesos. So here is a summary of the initial investment that you would require if you're starting from scratch. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Simply offering coffee, like the three I mentioned earlier, what you need would be your instant coffee. So I'm looking at Nescafe, which is 200 grams per pack. The cost is 150 pesos. White sugar, 1 kilogram is about 50 pesos. Coffee Mate comes in 450 grams, about 81 pesos. Dark chocolate, it must be pure, not milk chocolate. 1 kilogram is about 350 pesos. Condensed milk, here I'm using Carnation, but you can use a cheaper version. There's a lot of condensed milk available in the market. So one 300 ml can costs about 54 pesos. Evaporated milk, which you may or may not decide to use, one can of 370 ml is about 37 pesos. Then you need 22 ounces cups. I would suggest that you use 22 ounces and only use one size. The cost for the 22 ounce cup, including the straw, the lid, and the ice, is about 7 pesos. Moving on to the next one, what about the net weight per tablespoon? How do you actually calculate the cost of the ingredients? You have to look at the net weight. So here I have helped you to weigh each of the ingredients. A 1 tablespoon Nescafe instant coffee is about 4 grams, which costs about 3 pesos. White sugar, 1 tablespoon is about 15 grams, costs about 1.5 pesos. Coffee Mate, 1 tablespoon is about 7.5 grams, which costs about 1.5 pesos. Dark chocolate, 1 tablespoon is about 7.5 grams, and the cost is about 3 pesos. Condensed milk, 40 ml, costs about 6 pesos. This is the most expensive part, but please don't omit this. This is what makes you drink full body. And then the evaporated milk is 1 ounce of 30 ml is about 3 pesos. Now that we have the cost of the ingredients in our recipe, let's look at the individual costing for the individual drinks. Let's start with Ice Americano. Ice Americano, the total cost is, because it's only the instant coffee and the sugar plus the water plus the cup, the total cost is about 13 pesos. Moving on to iced latte. This is a little bit more expensive because it has milk. So here we put together 3 different types of milk, making the total cost equal to about 22 pesos for a 22 ounce cup. Finally, ice mocha. Ice mocha is the most expensive because here you add chocolate on top of the coffee and the milk, and the total cost is about 25 pesos. When you calculate the total cost of your product, you must include the cost of the raw materials as well as your fixed costs and your overhead. And I would suggest that you calculate about 50% of the cost of your raw materials. So using that formula, Ice Americano is now 13 for the cost of the materials, plus 50% of 13, which is 6.5, giving your total cost to 19.5. Similarly, for iced latte, the cost of the raw materials are 22, and then half of that is 11, giving the total cost of the product as 33. And finally, for iced mocha, the cost of the ingredients is 25 plus half of that 12.5, making the total cost of iced mocha per cup as 37.5. Remember that it could be lower because here we use only good quality ingredients. When it comes to pricing, I would suggest as follows. For iced Americano, 55. For iced latte, 65. For iced mocha, 75. And then you can put additional charges for like whipped cream or tapioca pearls or grass jelly or cream cheese. Now, it doesn't mean that because your price is cheap, people will keep coming back to you. Sometimes it's not just because it's cheap, it's because the products are good. So make sure you have consistent quality, and even the price a little bit higher, they will keep coming back to you. Maintain good quality. Now, if you make your product aesthetically nice, as beautiful as you can present it, the value is also added. So keep watching my videos and see how you can improve the looks of your products. I hope that this tutorial helps you in setting up your own business or adding coffee into your menu, and I hope that you will stay tuned for more of these videos. So good luck to you all. Let me know how it goes, and I really look forward to hearing some feedback. In the meantime, don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching, and ciao for now.